Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Sky theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application and click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation and click on the name on the top. From here you need to select theme and you need to find the Sky theme. Scroll down. So here you can see, select it, wait for few seconds, and now you can see that Sky theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.